sit by the window staring through the glass. Drops race each other, but they never last. The streetlights shimmer like ghosts on the ground. In this quiet, the loudest thing is the sound of rain falling, falling slow. A rhythm only the lonely know. Rain falls, rain calls. It whispers my name, it washes the world, but it leaves me the same. Rain falls, rain stalls, and time fades away. The night and the rain, they both love to stay. The puddle becomes a mirror in the street. I see my face, but it doesn't mean the person I thought I'd find tonight. Under the clouds, there's no wrong or right. Rain falling, falling slow. A rhythm only the restless know. Rain falls, rain calls. It whispers my name, it washes the world, but it leaves me the same. Rain falls, rain stalls, and time fades away. The night and the rain, they both love to stay.